And Corby is starting the Lego. What is that, anak? Can I see first? Pull back. For how many? 7 years old plus. Pull back. Okay, good luck. That's one of his birthday gift from his friend. Oh, the wheels. Careful, the wheels will get lost. Okay, I'll be back later, okay?
Yes.
And almost done.
Mama,
Das
ist die erste Berg, das ist die zweite Berg. Ich erwarte sie zuerst die.
Okay. That's okay. Mach weiter. Ich komme dann wieder, okay? Busy, my baby is very busy.
Ich muss da noch Hausaufgaben machen.
Also, wenn das fertig, dann mach deine Hausaufgabe, okay?
Ja, guck mal.
Schön.
Ich mach das jetzt zuerst.
Okay, have fun. Hallo, Nak. Und almost done? Wow, very nice. Pull back. What is pull back, anak? What kind of Lego is that? Lego technique?
Lego Ninjago.
Is that Lego Ninjago? Okay.
Yes, look what look.
Ah, when you pull back, then it will
Move faster forward.
drive forward. Okay, good. Very good. It's almost done. So proud of you, baby. And the pullback is done.
Yes.
Wow, it's very nice. I love it. I love the green color. Oh, it's very fast. It's Fast and Furious.
No, not Fast and Furious.
Ooh, now you need to start there. There.
Yeah.
Even here. Till my feet, up to my feet, until here, where I stand. Okay. Forsage. Oh, the other Lego. Come.
Oh, wait.
Need to pull back. Oh, nice. Very nice.
I think, Mom, I think this one
You
is
have another
reinforced.
pull back.
Yeah.
2 pullbacks. You need to start there.
I think this one is reinforced.
And which one is faster?
Here.
1, 2, auf die Plätze. Fertig, los. Oh, the green one is faster, huh?
Yes.
And I think you need to pull back this one. You did not pull back
Look
enough.
how fast. Yoink.
You did not pull back enough the other one. I think they're just the same, or maybe
No, it's not the same.
the same. The other one is faster.